Wham! Oh my god, what a catch. Oh my god, I'm so glad I caught that on video. Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to our VOA. All right. Sorry about that win. Today, Silky gonna be running the show. Okay, was telling me about how much y'all was leaving comments and saying y'all wanted to see me again, so your wish has been granted. We gonna cook up a nice little meal today on Cooking with Carl. Let me show y'all what's on the menu today. Sorry that bird is so loud. Can you hush, please? Today our meal shall consist of baked chicken thighs, some seasoned diced potatoes, thrown into some green beans. If this meal might seem a little weird to anybody, I am allergic to a lot of things such as dairy, eggs, wheat, tree nuts, shellfish. The list goes on, but it's okay. We still enjoy what we can, you know. We take what we can get around here. But I just didn't want y'all to think I was one of those vegetarians, Presbyterians, or anything like that, all right? All right. Yes. We have seasoned salt. We have some lemon pepper seasoning. We have some onion powder. We have some garlic powder, as well as some Creole seasoning. All these on their nice Heritage Farm fresh chicken thighs. All right, so first things first, let's throw these bad boys in the bowl. Let's get them in there. And I know if my mom watching this, cursing me out, even though she don't curse, she probably just going ham on me right now because I'm not washing my chicken. But living in an RV sometimes, you don't have that option to wash your chicken or wash the meats you have. And I haven't died so far, okay? So let me just say that, Mom, I'm still alive. I know you always wash it, and that's what you taught me. I'm honestly gonna leave it like this because it's just gonna be easier for me to season it all in like a brick. All right, so we're gonna hit that with some generous seasoned salt. Now the wind is not making this easy, but I'm kinda counteracting it, if that makes any sense. Some lemon pepper, a little too much, but it'll be okay. Some onion powder. I don't recommend seasoning outside, but it feels too good right now to not season it outside. Y'all watch my channel, you know that I'm getting a lot of snow sometimes, so I'm basking in this when I can. And to end it off with some Creole. I haven't eaten all day because I've been waiting to do this video, and I had to work earlier, so now we're just gonna flip over the meat brick. Fun fact, I used to be scared to touch raw meat. Did y'all ever have that conundrum? Did y'all ever go through that? I used to have to wear like gloves, like blue latex gloves. I didn't have to, but I did if you wanted me to wash or season some chicken for a couple years. And then I was like, get over it, dude. You touch fish, you touch live fish, get over it. And get over it I did. I'm gonna do the same thing again, hit it with the same seasonings. Less lemon pepper this time because we kind of overdid it on the backside. The wind is taking all my seasoning. It's not cool. And I don't have any counter space in my RV. I think that's gonna be one of the big projects is putting counter space, because counter space or getting some like sink covers to go over the sink, obviously. Or putting a new sink and getting sink covers for that. What y'all think? What y'all think I should do? And that's how I get down on the meat in the kitchen. Pause. You take a skewer and right in there. Be careful not to break your skewer. I've done that and had to use my pliers to pull it out. Not a fun time. Get all your aggression out. All the aggression you have for the day, get it out on this potato. Everybody who's talking crazy at work, a person who cut you off just to be at the same red light, that's what you take that anger out on. Now I got my aluminum foil. We have our potato, and we got our seasoned chicken. Turn the air fryer to bake in 40 minutes, about 335, 340. That's gonna start preheating. So I'll meet y'all back at the air fryer when it's done preheating. See you in a second. Okay, while Silky's gone, I'm gonna show y'all what I've been doing inside the camper, okay? Because I've been dealing with some things. This is where my propane comes in And this is a three-way connection. Well, without a way to cut off one or the other, once my furnace is disconnected, my propane will just constantly run out because I can't cut off the propane running to that side. So I have to look into getting like a three-way connection with cutoff valves, or just get cutoff valves that can go on the ends of this three-way connection that's already pre-existing, which I believe would just need to be female to male, I believe, because these are females. So I believe my shutoff valves have to just be female to male, so this can attach to the male shutoff end. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. I know this is kind of like nerd speak, but yeah, I need to kind of figure this out. That way, if anything goes wrong, I can shut off one appliance and not have to worry about not having propane in the entire camper. Come here. All right, I'm back. I don't know why he thought he could just come hog the camera. I told him today was our video. Today we was making some food, some goodies. We ain't talking about this camper stuff. That's stress for next week. We saved that for next week, all right? All right. But he did tell me to give a message. Thank you so much, Miss Phillips. Thank you. She got us some primer for the roof. You just know you're starving. You know you're starving when you're just staring at the preheat function. I feel like it's been preheating for 20 minutes at this point. Can we please hurry up? Please. I'm waiting for the beeps of the heavenly beeps. I'm waiting for the... Oh! Look at it. Look at God. Look at God. The heavenly beeps. Add food, she says. You gotta tell me twice. I'll add some food. Skin up first. Oh, you just hear her sizzle. You just hear her sizzle. 2. Got a potato and 2 thighs. It's at 40 minutes. We're gonna change it at 15, 15, and the last 10. So 25, 10, and then 0. Skin up, skin down, and end it off with the skin up to make it real nice and crispy. Real nice and crispy. So you flip it at 25 before it starts to get crispy. 15 minutes at that low doesn't get it crispy yet. Alright. And get your potato as well. Can't forget your potato. Alright guys. One more flip. Get that skin nice and crispy. Alright, we got that chicken in there for the last few minutes. It's at 8 minutes. And so what we do at this portion is open up our can of green beans. Our nice can of green beans. Chomp. If you got a good can opener, you should be able to hold your can in the air. No support. I'm living like that. I'm living like that. On the edge. On the edge. Okay. Perfect. If you do it perfectly, your lid should not fall in. And I usually just pour my juices outside because I'm not dealing with my great tank at the moment. Sorry, not sorry. It's probably backwards, but it's French style green beans. Take our potato out of there. You're probably wondering what this is. I'll show you guys in a few seconds. Let's get this foil off of here. Just a little hot. Alright. Alright, we got our propane flame. Let's get our green beans going. Seasoned salt. Black pepper. Some garlic powder. And some butter. Just a little bit of butter. So we're gonna let those green beans get going. So this, wham. Put that bad boy right there. Hit him with a little wham. Oh my God, what a catch. Oh my God, I'm so glad I caught that on video. Wham. It's not the cleanest cut, don't get me wrong. I could probably get some newer wire. But you can't tell me that's not the coolest thing you've seen all week. Is that not the coolest thing you've seen all week? I just take my chunks, and it kind of helps me because I can just remove the chunks from the skin, so I don't even have to peel my potato. Maybe I'm just coping. Well, bam! Oh my, that was a good one. That was a good one, brother. My only qualm with this design is food can kind of get in this crack. But I'm pretty sure you can probably use like a brush for it. Or like all my potato is in the crack now, see? But that's pretty cool. I don't care what anybody says. Sorry for yelling. That's pretty cool, man. Wah, wah. Dump those in there. Hit it with just a tad bit more seasoning salt. Give them a little stir, shall we? Let me know, is this the worst meal you ever seen cooked on YouTube? Everybody saying, you gotta let us know if it's good. You gotta let us know if it's good. I eat this meal all the time. Like I said, I have a lot of allergies, so I don't spread out too much. But if y'all have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'm very willing to try them and let Silky get out there and go crazy. So yeah. Also, if y'all really made it this far to the end, sorry about like my character kind of slipping sometimes. I'm still getting used to this, but I had a whole lot of fun. Let me know if y'all want to see some more. I appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far. Seriously. Help me today. RVOA out. Sorry, excuse me. I'm slamming this. I'm so hungry. Listen to this skin. I know I'm ashy, bro. Get off me.